Okay, here we're going to have an overview of Galileo's globe, the wooden puzzle. Now, here's all the pieces. We're going to start off by getting this piece, the funny knobbly bit in the middle and 2 slots on the sides. I like to use my feet, I just find it much easier. So I'm going to hold that there, get 2 of these curved pieces and insert them there. Now, aside from that, we need to build something else. Now we get one of these pieces with a large hole in the middle and 2 slots on the side, and one of these pieces with simply a hole. And we insert our curved pieces in the sides of that, hopefully without them falling off. Now we put the other piece on top. Oops. Okay, leaving the hole in the middle. And now we carefully insert this onto our other piece, these pieces here going into the slots there, like so. There we go. And then we put our other piece with the funny knobbly bit in the middle on top with this lumpy piece on the same side as that one, like that. So now we have this structure with one large hole on one side and a smaller hole on the other. And we can move this around like that. Now, we get this piece here and slide it into our smaller hole. We'll need to push this down to enlarge it. And it goes in through there. And then we can push back up again. Oops, don't do that. And then we push back up again to lock it into place. And we're left with this. Now we get our curved pieces and insert them into the sides as we did with the others. And we're left with this final piece which slides through this hole through the entire thing. Sometimes it takes a bit of wiggling to get in. This piece holds together quite well, although once this is pulled out, it all falls apart very easily. Thanks for watching.